Welcome to the first video in our new series where we show you how to solve real-world tasks using the iVolatility API and our VS Code Cloud Workspace. Once inside the VS Code Cloud Workspace, open the sample code examples by clicking on the Notebooks folder. Today's topic, how to find stock information or search for a list of instruments using the API. This is especially useful if you don't know the exact ticker symbol or if you want to discover a group of instruments for further analysis or data export. Let's run a sample request. In this example, we're looking for all active instruments that have the word city in the company name. To run the notebook, select the recommended Python environment, and here's the result. As you can see, each returned instrument has city in the name. There are 16 stocks. We can narrow the search further, for example, by adding a region as a filter. As a result, the list is reduced to 12 instruments. You can also search by ISIN code, which uniquely identifies a specific stock. As you can see, this returns just one result, a clear and precise match. To explore other search options, check the parameters for this API endpoint in our documentation. Here's the link to it. For this specific endpoint, you can search by date, ticker, active status, company name, ISIN, FIGI, QSIP, CDOL, iVolatility, internal ID, and region. Stay tuned. We'll keep exploring the iVolatility API and VS Code Cloud Workspace in the next episodes. Thanks for watching.